Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Only Way and granting precise GPS and background location. This lets the app record movement continuously. Once done, sign in or create your account so device data ties to your profile and syncs. You should confirm the device ID in settings and choose a tracking mode: live for real-time, interval for periodic points, or battery saver to reduce drain. Make sure to set an interval appropriate for your needs, so initial data appears immediately and accurately. You now configure how Only Way records and uploads. First, choose map type and coordinate format so readings match your workflow, and pick units like km or miles. Then set sampling interval and upload frequency. Shorter intervals increase accuracy but use more battery. Also create geofences and add route labels to group trips. Once configured, enable Auto Start and optional Wi-Fi only syncing so data uploads when network conditions are right, preventing gaps and preserving battery and cellular costs. You finish by validating the recorded route. Inspect the live map and recent track log to confirm timestamps and continuity. Once satisfied, export GPX or KML, share the device link with teammates, or set alerts for geofence breaches. If tracking stops or points are missing, first reboot the device, then recheck location permissions and disable aggressive battery optimizations for Only Way. If issues persist, toggle the app's background permission off and on, restart Only Way, and watch the log for reconnect messages to resolve remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.